I wonder if I took some JAWS, Cranberry, little vanilla, little 3-band Manchurian, Badger, some Canadiana. I wonder if I combine that in with shave, what it would be like. Good morning, white shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome to the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. It's going to be Canadiana. As you saw in my last video, we had a meetup with East Coast Addicts a couple weeks ago. Today is Monday, January 14th. This probably won't get posted until this weekend, which will be the 19th or 20th. So, Matthew Gryphon, Gryphon's Groomatorium. He does this, he's a soaper on his personal time. He doesn't do it for production, so his tins are a little rudimentary. This is one of the sets that I was able to get out of him. It's a tallow base. This is cranberry vanilla. Friggin' awesome. I have several of his scents. Like I said, he just does it for fun. He doesn't go into production, though we've been trying to push him to do it. So, I've got that in my Thirsty Badger lather bowl. Now, while I was in the shower, I recently won this from my buddy Nick. This is a Richard Sea Otter. This is a 24 millimeter 3-band Manchurian with electric yellow and stabilized Buckeye. Beautiful, beautiful handle. So that's been soaking in there. And what I'm also going to use, I recently got this secondhand. I got it from a gentleman in the States whose name I will post. This is RazoRock JAWS Game Changer. This is the Game Changer JAWS. 0.84 is the blade gap, positive blade exposure. First time using it. Obviously it's an open comb. The JAWS part, in my opinion, it's kind of scary as hell. And by the looks of it, kind of reminds me of the Mullen R41. Say with that positive blade exposure. These are CNC milled out of 316L steel. They're all individually numbered and they are made in Canada. So good to be Canadian. So anyway, we are going to get our lather built up. Quick shave before I gotta go trucking. I gotta head out of here as soon as my trailer is loaded and ready, so take this. First time using this particular soap. First time using this particular brush, so we'll see how it goes. Tilt this down, have a look. By the way, Thirsty Badger Lather Bowl t-shirts also available on Jared's website. Load lather with the grain, across the grain, against the grain. Baby butt smooth shave of the day, hashtag. So, I think that's got a good lather going on, nice and slick. And guys, what I think I might do is I do have several of these scents I picked up. Because he knows I give out a lot of samples, he gave me 5 of these tub sizes. Plus I have some from our previous meetup. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. If you're interested, the first person who puts I'm in down below, when I get a chance, it'll probably be several weeks before I get a chance, but I will send you some little samplers of the various scents that I've got here. I think there's 8, 9, 10 all total. So why don't we do that? Just put I'm in down below here. Canada, continental US, and in a few weeks I'll try and get them sent out to you, just little samplers about, you know, toonie sized. So we're going to re-wet the face. Nick raffled off this brush because he found it too soft. He likes more scritch. He's got a very coarse beard growth. Believe it's got a 48mm loft height on it. Yeah, very soft. There's not a lot of scritch to it. And this is my first hybrid handle. I don't have one. It's very cool looking. When you take the lather off it, very cool looking handle. Now right now, I am the proud owner of 4 Coyote Cuts brushes. One is on its way. 3 of them are pre-coin, including that one. The one that's coming is actually going to be a big brother to one I've already got. And it will have the coin in it. So, let's give this a go. 3.5-inch handle. I believe I weighed this in at, I believe it was 3.6 ounces. I'll correct the edits here. And I do remember it being 103 grams on the scale. So, very light touch. It's not as aggressive as I thought it would be. Now this is one that I did watch a few videos of, including Rod's, Jason Rodman, and he gave a really good explanation about it. Now the open comb version of the Game Changer only comes in the 1 blade gap, but if you go with the flat bar, the straight bar, it comes in a 0.68 as well as the 84. The thing is that the pins for the plate are on the bottom plate. So you've got to make sure that you've got a Game Changer plate. You just can't go by, you know, one part without the other. But very affordably priced. Like I said, I did get this one secondhand from a gentleman in the United States. But I think the Game Changer is retailing for around $70 Canadian. Which for a CNC milled razor is phenomenal. By the way, I preloaded that with a brand new Vashkod. I see Vashkods are on sale again on Amazon for under $8 US for a 100 pack. So I just ordered a couple more. I don't need them, but they're good for giveaways and pips and stuff. Not bad. It's mowing about a week's worth of growth again. Scent on this, like I said, just really simple. Just cranberry and vanilla. Now, I do find the scent strength very, very light on this. I bugged and bugged and bugged him to make a cranberry scent. So, we're hoping he's going to come out with something. For me, when I think of cranberry, I think of the smell and taste of Ocean Spray cranberry. And trucking, I've actually delivered to one of their facilities before, somewhere. I don't know if it was in Massachusetts or where, I don't remember. But this isn't quite that, but it's very nice. Very, very refreshing, very warm scent on that. And of course, Richard C. Otter, his hip brushes are just awesome. I've got my Coyote Cola, which is in the other room. And like I said, I've got 2 synthetics from them. One here and one coming. Okay, so I'll go across the grain. No problems with residual slickness on this soap. Wow, that's still really, really nice and slick. So I feel like I can go back and do, you know, buffing without any trouble whatsoever. So what am I doing here? It looks scary aggressive, but damn, is that ever smooth. Yeah, that 48 millimeter, damn, that's compared to other brushes I have, it's quite short, but it's got a nice feel to it. By the way, I did, well, I don't know if you guys noticed when I was making the lather there, I added water a few times. Matthew's soaps can definitely handle water. That's never an issue with his soaps. So we'll get that on there, and we're going to go for our third pass against the grain. The one that gives all guys trouble. I'm going to try a little bit of skin stretching, see if I can get a little bit closer than I have the last few shaves. Damn, this razor's got such a great feel. One thing I will say about this, and I do not remember what the other guys said in the videos about, in their videos about it, is the knurling on this. Damn, that's aggressive. I mean, you could sand wood with that knurling. That is not going to slip at all. I would say of all the razors I have, that may be the most aggressive knurling I have. That is almost BB. Just a few spots here, but that's just typical underneath the goatee. I don't feel any irritation. Great slickness. Damn, what a nice razor. Anyway, guys, we're going to clean up and wash this out of our goatee and out of our ears, and we'll come right back. Stay put. Thanks. Hey, guys. So we got it all cleaned up. Quick demonstration on what I do with my goatee and using that Man of Whiskery. And after we get it all washed out, and unfortunately Matthew does not, or very seldom makes matching splashes. He does have one for Canadian Coffee Shop and for his citrus bomb version 2. So I believe this is now unobtainium. So I'll be using Maol Grooming. This is Frankenlime frosted. Sean Mullen, I don't think he's making these. I think he's discontinued these. He's gone on, I believe, to doing collabs and limited editions. So what he has said to do with that stuff is just wet your face and then apply. Dampen your face. So the lime and frankincense it won't be bad. It'll be a decent match with the cranberry and vanilla. And I think my girlfriend likes this scent too, which is a bonus. So, definitely alcohol based. Just let it burn, little tiny weepers on my neck, but no big deal. Definitely get the frosted notes out of that. Although it's Canadian winter and I believe it's kind of chilly out there. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up for today. Today, Gryphon's Groomatorium, cranberry vanilla. This is his own, not in production yet. But said first person who says I'm in down below, give me a few weeks. I'll get you half a dozen samples of a few of his soaps that I have here set out to you. Canada, US, continental US. Use that with a brush I just won from my buddy Nick. This is Richard C. Otter. This is called Green Envy, 24mm 3-band Manchurian with stabilized buckeye and electric yellow resin, which is just awesome. 48mm loft on that. And we also used for the first time, made in Canada as well, RazoRock Game Changer JAWS .48mm with a positive blade exposure. And they also come with a unique serial number, which is very cool. 3.5 inch handle, about 3.6 ounces, I believe. 103 grams. And from First Canadian Shave, Man of Whiskery, friggin' awesome stuff. The mustache wax and the beard balm. Keeps things out of the way, neat and tidy. So anyway, guys, as usual, your comments, good, bad, indifferent, your suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. I'll answer them as quickly as I can. And anyway, gonna wrap this up. I gotta get ready to go trucking. You guys have an awesome week. We'll see you again in a few days. Bye-bye.